Hi everybody, namaste. Keith here, senior teacher at your home studio, Sonic Yoga. This is my favorite time of the year. This is the one time of the year that I get to present to this community a little bit of extraordinary information on yoga philosophy. Now, this is not something we're going to be thinking about or talking about. We're always going to be taking an action. We're always going to be practicing. But this weekend, the practice will be meditation, pranayama, and getting deep into very particular yoga postures so we can get very deep into levels of awareness that we rarely visit. Levels of awareness that will bring us realizations that may seem they are quite far away, or they may seem like they're abstracts, but they are not. They are right now driving your practice. They are right now behind what you think of as your intuition. Now, if we can optimize that connection, if we can clear the path to a connection of this awareness, the possibilities are absolutely extraordinary and remarkable. So, I'm looking forward to it. I will see you there. I love you all. Namaste.